Hey guys, it's Tara. I'm here to tell you a little bit about our Clever portal. Clever is the area that's going to keep all of our Woodridge 68 learning applications in one place for an easy to use login. So when you're ready to use sites such as iReady, Seesaw, or Amplify, or even at the junior high, WeVideo and Soundtrap, you can quickly log into your accounts for any of these sites with our Clever portal. Here's how you can access it. When you're on a desktop for teachers, you want to be using our Chrome browser. In order to see our Woodridge 68 bookmarks, you need to be logged into the browser. In order to do so, you can find the three dots in the upper right-hand corner, click those, go to Settings, and then when on the new Settings page, click Sign into Chrome. You'll be signing in with your Woodridge 68 email address and your password. If you're on a Chromebook, you're automatically logged into the Chrome browser, so no need to do that first step. If you're on a desktop, once you log into the browser, your bookmarks and your Woodridge 68 bookmarks will appear. If for some reason your bookmarks are not ready for you when you log into the Chrome browser, or if you're on a Chromebook already in the browser, you can simply click on the three dots in the upper right-hand corner, scroll down to see where it says Bookmarks, and then click on Show Bookmark Bar. They should appear underneath your extensions. If for some reason your Woodridge 68 bookmarks are not appearing in the bookmark bar, right-click anywhere in an open space on the bookmark bar and look down in the menu to make sure there's a check mark next to Show Woodridge 68 Bookmarks. For students, when they're on the Chromebook, they too are automatically logged into the Chrome browser, so no need to have them log into the browser. They will see our stu.woodridge68 bookmarks within the bookmark bar. Have students repeat those same steps for finding the bookmark bar if for some reason their bookmarks are not appearing. From that dropdown, Clever will be one of the links you can click on. If you're using an iPad, students can log into the Clever app with a unique QR code. This pertains to grades K through 2. In grades K through 2, we can populate unique QR badges for students that pertain information for their login. On an iPad with the Clever app, students simply need to open the app, scan their badge, and then Clever will prompt them to the portal for them to click on the app they want to open. This will work if the devices also have the apps that you need to have the students use. So if you're using Clever to log into iReady, you will need the iReady app installed on the iPad. Note that we will be using Chromebooks for all diagnostic testing. When you're ready to log into the Clever portal once you found it in your bookmarks, you'll be prompted to either log in with Google or scan your Clever badge. Reminder that students in K2 can use either option to log in with Google or Clever. Students in grades 3 through 8 must click Login with Google, and the same goes for our teachers. Once you've successfully logged into the Clever portal, you'll see our list of apps. If you're looking for iReady, it'll look similar to the image that you see on our screen. When you're ready to log in, click the app icon. For students, once they are logged into iReady, they'll be able to select either the reading or math tests that they're taking. Contact the LRC department, your instructional coach, or Tara Tesmer if you have further questions. Thank you.